Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be making a shea butter with frankincense and myrrh. Now I got this recipe from Cyn Doll. She is a YouTuber and a professional stylist, and I will put her video in the description box because she goes into depth and detail about this shea butter. Now she is not a fan of rice water, but she swears that this shea butter with frankincense and myrrh is amazing for hair growth and skin repair. So I thought I'd give it a try. So the ingredients are African shea butter, myrrh resin, frankincense oil, rosemary, sage leaf. I got sage rub, but hopefully it won't make that much of a difference. And cinnamon sticks. Okay, the first thing I did was melt my shea butter, and you do not want to use direct heat. So typically for this process you would use a double boiler, but I don't have one, but that's okay because they are easy to make. All I did was get a small pot and fill it with about 1 to 2 inches of water. Then I set another pot on top of it so that it fit nice and snug. But I made sure that the bottom of the pot on top does not touch the water in the pot below. Then I just turned on the heat, brought my water to a boil, and boom, I had my double boiler. It's that simple. And it doesn't take long for the shea butter to start melting. Okay, time for the myrrh. Now this stuff isn't much to look at, but it is filled with so many benefits it is unreal. Everything from oral health to skin health to pain relief, and the list goes on. Now Cyn Doll used a knife to chop hers up real fine, but your girl here almost lost a finger. So I'm going to try a different approach. This method was easier and safer for me. Okay, so most of my shea butter has melted down, and now I'm going to add my myrrh. And I made sure to crunch it up as best I could into small, fine pieces. I then added the rest of the ingredients. And then stirred everything together really well. And then I just let everything marinate and infuse so all those ingredients can release their healing properties. It has a very earthy, woodsy aroma that I found to be quite relaxing. So after about 15 minutes, I poured my oil into this cup using a strainer because I don't want the big pieces of the myrrh resin in my oil. It's okay to have some of the finer pieces, but not the big chunks. I soon realized that this cup was not big enough, so I ended up using another bowl to pour the rest of my oil in. Next, I poured my oil mixture into a glass bowl and let it cool for about 30 minutes so it can start to solidify. Just a little bit, not all the way. And then I used my electric mixer to start whipping it into shape. And I keep mixing it until I get this whipped cream-like consistency. This is the texture I want right here. And as you can see, it is very thick and very creamy and just filled with lots of goodness. And I tried just a little bit on my hand, and as you can see, it just starts to instantly melt. It felt so good on the skin, so moisturizing. And along with soft moisturized skin, I made sure to rub some onto my nail cuticles because I heard with consistent use this will help make your nails strong. So now I'm just going to scoop my mixture into my mason jar, but I can tell already that this is not going to be big enough. So I ended up storing the rest into this glass jar with the clamp lid. And this right here should last me for quite a while. So that is it, guys. Shout out to Cyn Doll for this amazing recipe. Be sure to check out her video because she has more details about the amazing benefits of frankincense and myrrh. And thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.